how's it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. All our new subscribers, thank you so very much for being here with me. And of course, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And while you're at it, make sure to go ahead and just hit that notification bell. So once I do have new content up, you're not left out of anything at all. You are being notified of that. And for all our returning subscribers, thank you so very much. I welcome you all with open arms at all times. Thank you so very much for being here. At this moment, you know exactly what time it is. It is time for Big Up segment. Just want to go ahead and just big up Rara's World. Guys, go ahead, go on over to her channel there once this video is finished though. So once this video is finished, after you finish watching it, just head on over to Rara's World and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe as well. Just share the love, share the support with all of us here on YouTube as well, because we are really putting in the work for you guys who are watching. Now let's get to the meat of the matter. I am excited and you are excited as well. So now what's this buzz about? YouTube have launched what we call timestamps, and this is why I'm so excited. Now timestamps is where you are able to add chapters to your video, right? For me, this is basically a win-win situation for both the viewer and also the creator. Why I say this is a win-win situation? Because one, viewers are able to just go ahead and just hover over the timeline and see whichever chapter is more relevant to them, and then they're able to just jump over to that chapter. The other thing is that instead of persons clicking off a video because it's too long or they're not able to find the information which they want, now they can basically, as I said before, go to the hover or go in the description area. They will see the different timestamps and they're able to just jump to that one relevant information which they want, whether it is at the beginning, the middle, or at the end of the video. And guess what? Although viewers basically just jump to the chapter which they wanted to see, which is more relevant to them, us as the creators, we will still be able to get that view or watch hours or watch minutes. So we are still gaining from that. As I said, whether it's at the beginning, the middle, or at the end of the video, we will get the time leading up to wherever the person starts watching the video. And with this timestamp also, we are able to increase our retention rate. Many persons are now struggling with that, so this is also very helpful. Navigation is very easy now because persons can either look in your description area for the specific or the relevant information that they would want and just go to that chapter, or as I said, they just hover over your timeline and they're able to find the chapter which they need. For us as creators, now what we're able to do when we want to do our transitions, now we can go over smoothly into the different chapters or the different titles, or if we want to add our own little uniqueness to it, we're able to do so. I'm going to be doing a little demonstration just to show you what I'm talking about. What we are going to be doing is to the top right where you do see your name or your account information, just go ahead and click on your picture or your name, whatever you have there. When you do that, then you're going to see the section that says YouTube Studio. Go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. Now YouTube Studio is open. You're going to go on your far left where you see content. Go ahead and you're going to click on content. Now we have content open where we have all of our YouTube videos there. So what we're now going to do is we are going to select a video. When you hover over that video, you're going to see details, analytics, play, and also comments. You're going to select details. Now we have our description area open. So now we are going to go ahead and we are going to be adding our timestamp. The very first thing we need to remember when we are going to be adding our timestamps is to make sure that we start at 0 minutes and 0 seconds. That is very important. So we are going to be putting in 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Because I want to be a little extra, I'm going to be putting something here. Your first timestamp should be 0 minutes and 0 seconds. There's no going around that. Then to the far right, you're able to see your video. From there, you're able to play the video so you are able to see where you should put that timestamp. What I did, I went in and I did a different video with all the timestamps in, which I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share that with you right now. Oh, before I come out of this as well, I should let you know, once you have put in all your different timestamps down the bottom here, you're going to go over to your far right, and where it says save, you go ahead and you press on that save button there to save it. And then should in case you want to change your timestamp or you want to get rid of it any at all you have to do is just come right back here and just put a different timestamp there and it will all change. So I went ahead and I had put in timestamps for this video. Now, if you realize here, beside each timestamp, I have a chapter title. It is necessary, it is mandatory for you to have a chapter title. So make sure you put something there. For me, I put tip number and put the different numbers which are there based on this video which I was doing. You can choose to put whatever you want to put there. Just make sure you put something. Put a title for each of your chapters. Now, when someone goes to your channel, this is what they're going to see. Down the bottom of the videos where you do see these different chapters, as you would realize, there's tips number 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to tip number 7. So that is what your chapter will look like, and they're able to just jump to whichever chapter they want to go to. Now, when you go down to where the description is, this is where you're going to be seeing all your timestamps and all the titles that you gave to the chapter. So that's basically it, everyone. This is how you go about in adding timestamps to your video. Well, that's basically it, guys. I learned about something, and of course, because you are my people, I am going to be sharing it with you. I hope it was very informative for you, and if it was, go ahead and just give it a thumbs up, and also feel free to share this video with every and anybody that you know it would be relevant to them. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, just saying take care and thank you for being here. Bye.